Hi friends, welcome. There are several AI tools we use it today for different purposes. The moment we ask something, it pulls the information from the internet and gives us various options to read and all. But what about a tool which will work in our own area, our own research, our own ideas and help us to pull it more information exactly from the resources we provide? That is where NotebookLM is so exclusive. And moreover, this has also some exclusive tools to help us to identify or to point focusedly on a different areas. So we'll learn all these two exclusive features what NotebookLM is going to offer. And in addition to that also we'll explore where it is mostly suitable and where it can be avoided and other AI tools we can use it. We'll learn all about this. In Google, just search NotebookLM and we are here. Our notebook opens up. Now try NotebookLM. I am in my notebook. Recently, this is a featured notebook. This one is recently added in India. If you are here, you can watch this. And these are the featured notebooks. Now here my recent notebooks are there. We'll work on one of our notebook to see these exclusive features. Let's go there. Here I am. So this is a report. So I will just first try to see what it returns me when I am asking something out of its own this area or this report. So how AI is helping in reducing poverty. A simple question. How AI is helping in reducing poverty. Now this is what I got it. Based on the source, there is no information about how AI is helping in reducing poverty. The source primarily indicate download and document poverty, all these details it has given. And note that it also gives me a citation. So it focus on the document what I provide. I can add different sources like my PDF I can upload, I can connect to my Google Drive, give us the documents and connect to my presentations also to analyze, and it will be within that, it's walled garden, so within that it will analyze and tell me. Now in this way my confidence or my trust goes up because what I am getting the result is from my own research, my own study. Let's work on this one. So this particular report, and we will start a simple query, which company got highest earning. So let's just see this. So here I am asking a notebook or already having a report. So that report in particularly I am asking it. So and it is analyzing because several companies Q1 report it has we have added as source. So from this source we are picking up. So it will analyze all the files and give me the output. So here I am, my output is limited to what sources I have provided. It's not going out to net and picking up whatever it wants. See this result. Here it is, it has cite and it is everywhere, it is giving me where the from the which source it got the information. So that builds the trust that what it returns is. So it is comparatively giving me all the results and showing me which is the highest income who was reported and all. That we called source ground reasoning. So we are limited to our own sources for all the analysis. Now let's move to the second important one. So another one, what about I give you a large topic where you are not getting where to start, where to end, where these are, how these different subtopics are connected, how these are working. Now we want a bird's eye view of the entire topic. How we will work on that? Look at this one. Here we have another report, and here you see open the mind map, because this is a part of the featured one. Otherwise you will get a link here to click the and open the mind map. So let's see what this mind map says about us. So on this topic you can see this has given two links. Now let me open this one. I can expand it. This gives me a how the subtopics, or you tell it subcategory or whatever, how they are connected to each other and how I can expand it, go minimal and come back to root also. So this is how economic outlook. Let's just expand it. All these arrows I can expand this, or I can even collapse this also, go to some other area. If I'll click this, then it will take me to the chatting or particular topic I can extract from the reports. So let's just go to the technology and innovation. So this is where it is expanded it. So all the AI and legal regulatory issues, I can further expand this. Corporate infringement lawsuits, fair use defense, all the sub areas, I can expand it, and I can also close this one, minimize it, start chatting on that particular area and learn more about it. Let's see this particular topic. So it comes up here. Let me just close this. Automatically it picks up the chat in the chat window, and it has already submitted. So it gives me all the information of the about that particular subtopic. These are the two most exclusive features for which I prefer NotebookLM. What is your views? So you can use NotebookLM when you have a definite source of information. From that, you want to find out a summary, a bird's eye view, or want to do more work on those topics. So in that area, NotebookLM is a preferred tool compared to other AI tools. Whereas I am starting from a new topic, I want to do a research work on some particular, say, environment impact on diesel fuel, diesel or petroleum, all products and all. Say any topic you pick up, there I can start from any by using not only NotebookLM, I can start any other thing. But when I have a sufficient documents for my research work, I prefer NotebookLM for that. What you think about this? And my request is, if you like such type of discussions and all, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you'll be notified always when you post such discussions in our list. And my request is, please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.